So for this week's budget meal idea, I'm going to show you what you can do with a rotisserie chicken. I'm going to make 3 different meals from it. So first up, we're going to do a chicken casserole. You're going to need egg noodles, cream of mushroom, breadcrumbs, peas and carrots frozen mix, shredded cheese, milk, and chicken broth. We're going to start by boiling our noodles to al dente. You're going to need a half a cup of milk and a half a cup of broth, 1 cup of veggies. We're going to turn our oven to 375. Once the noodles are done, you're going to mix the cream of mushroom, broth, milk, chicken, veggies, a half a cup of cheese, seasonings that you would like, and then stir all that together and then gently fold in the noodles and bake it for 20 minutes. So let's get started. I've got my chicken separated into thirds. So for the chicken casserole, we're going to dump the chicken into this bowl, add the broth, the peas and carrots, the milk, cream of mushroom, our cheese. I'm just going to guess it. I'm going to say that's about a half a cup. Okay, while we're waiting on our noodles to boil, we're going to go ahead and get some butter to mix with our breadcrumbs. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and some onion and garlic powder. All right, let's give this a stir. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. While our casserole is in the oven, I'm going to move on to the next meal, which is going to be chicken tacos. Now, I have refrigerated my rotisserie chicken, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil and butter to a skillet and then heat up my chicken. Now for this one, you're just going to need some taco seasoning, taco sauce or salsa, some shredded cheese, and then any taco toppings that you would like. Now that that is heated through, I'm going to go ahead and add the taco seasoning. Give it a nice stir. I like to add a little bit of sauce while it's cooking, just to get that season blended out a little bit better. I just went with cantina style salsa, but you can choose whichever one you like. Okay, we've got some chicken added to a taco. Now let's add some cheese and a little bit of lettuce. I forgot to get sour cream, but that would also be really good on there. So there you have it, rotisserie chicken taco. Our final meal is going to be chicken salad. So for this one, I'm just going to add some mayonnaise, a little bit of garlic and onion powder, and a little bit of sweet relish. And then we're just going to put it on bread and eat it. All right, now let's add it to bread. There you have it. Casserole is done, so let's add it to a plate. And here's our casserole. Which one are you most excited to try? The chicken casserole, the chicken salad sandwich, or the chicken taco? Let me know in the comments.